succeed.
You sound so fucking stupid. People need to stop letting people who doubt them affect them. Like, I understand it's hard to, like, not let it affect you, but what I always tell people is when people doubt you, first and foremost, like I always say, your vision is your vision. It's not meant for anyone to understand. So let's start there. So people who doubt you, ignore them. If you have a vision and you know you're going to make it, why do you care? Second of all, take the negative energy and turn that into positivity. Take them, oh, you really think you're going to do this? You really think you're going to do that? Prove they dumbasses wrong. Like, trust me, people has doubted me. I'm like, listen, when I make it, keep the same energy and act like you don't know me. Because I don't say if. I know I'm going to make it. I'm popping. I'm cute. My personality is amazing. And I'm cute. No, I'm just joking. Let me stop. But no, seriously, like, stop letting doubtful people make you doubt yourself. You're popping. You're golden. You bring a vibe and a currency that nobody else has. So why do you let people who's closed-minded, who's probably jealous that you have dreams and aspirations affect you? Ponder on that. Stop letting nothing-ass people get to you, bother you, and doubt you. Take their negativity, turn it into positive vibes. Like, all right, you doubt me, watch. I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to make it. I'm going to be something. Or, you know, whatever you have your mindset on, someone doubts you, and you know it's going to happen, ignore it. Ignore the hate. Ignore the haters. Continue on with your life and be poppin'. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you guys can get my notifications. And happy Friday. Hey, hey, it's Friday. Hey, happy Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah. Until next time.